Hello everyone. Today we will look at least common multiple. Let's look at this small problem. You have joined a music class with your friend. The first day you went together for the class, but the teacher said you have different skills and you have to join different classes. Your class is every 4 days, your friend's class is every 5 days. After how many days will both of you and your friend have classes on the same day? You can take the next 5 minutes to try solving this problem. You can draw a picture or you can work with numbers, anything you want. You can pause the video for the next 5 minutes as you are working on the problem. Once you are finished, you can come back and start watching the video again. You can pause the video now. So how did you do the problem? When will I meet my friend again? So we go to our music class and the teacher tells us to come back after 4 days for me and 5 days for my friends. And this continues. I come back after 4 days, my friend on 5 days. I come to class after 4 days, my friend after 5 days. We are not meeting each other then. I come back after 4 days, my friend after 5 days, and then I come back after 4 days, and then finally we meet. So after how many days did we meet? If we add up all the days, we meet after 20 days. Did you find the answer? Our objective in class today is we will be able to know about least common multiple and how to find the LCM of a number. What is the least common multiple or the LCM? The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number we can divide by the numbers without leaving a remainder. This is what we will look into more detail in today's class. So let us check the number 20. I am going to class every 4 days. My friend is going to class every 5 days. After the first day, the earliest we shall meet again is after 20 days. This is what we found in the first problem that we looked at. 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. Are there any other numbers smaller than 20 which is divisible by both 4 and 5? You can try to find out. There are no other numbers which are smaller than 20 and divisible by both 4 and 5. So 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. Why are we learning this? In the music class problem, we could find the solution by drawing a picture. Because we were working with small numbers, so it was easy to do. If we know how to do LCM, we can easily do the calculations for big numbers as well. That is why we are learning how to do LCM. So how do we find the LCM of two numbers? There are many ways to find the LCM of numbers. I know of 3 different ways of finding LCM. Today we will show you the way which is very similar to how we found the HCF. Try connecting with what we learned under HCF and you will find the similarity. So we will find the LCM of 30 and 45 and see how we find it. First, we will find the prime factors of the numbers. You can use the division method or the number tree method to find the prime factors of these. So the prime factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. And the prime factors of 45 are 3, 3 and 5. What is the next step? We will combine the common factors which are present in both the numbers. So 3 is common in both the numbers and we combine that and put that as 3. Are there any other numbers common in both? Yes, 5 is common between both the numbers. We write down 5. Are there any other numbers which are common? No, they are not. So we will just write down all the numbers that are not common between the two numbers. And what do we do after that? We multiply all the numbers and we get 90. This is the LCM of 30 and 45. So this is how we worked on two numbers. This is a problem for you to practice and learn. Sheila, Vinod and Monu are brothers and sisters. Sheila and Vinay love reading storybooks. Monu is learning how to read. They go to the library to take out books to read. Sheila finishes a book in 6 days. She returns it and picks a new book. Vinod finishes a book on 9 days. He returns and takes a new book. Monu finishes a book in 63 days. He returns and takes a new book too. After how many days will all three brothers and sisters go to the library together? Try thinking about this problem. Read it carefully and understand what is happening. Let us see what we have to do here. Sheila goes to the library every 6 days. Vinod goes to the library every 9 days and Monu goes to the library every 63 days. So the question is, when is the earliest they will meet again in the library? So here we will have to find the LCM of 6, 9 and 63. And how do we do it? Because we have learned how to find the LCM of two numbers, let us see how we will find the LCM of three numbers. First, we will find the prime factors of 6, 9 and 63. This step is the same. After that, we will find the common prime factors that are present in more than one number. We will write them down. Factors, then we will write down all of them which are not present in more than one number. Okay? Then all the prime factors that we got, we will multiply them. And the product is the LCM. You can try solving this by yourself by pausing the video. Once you have finished, you can come back and start watching. So how do we find the LCM of three numbers? First, we will find the prime factors. The prime factors of 6 are 3 and 2. The prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. The prime factors of 63 are 3, 3 and 7. So which number is common between all three of them? 3. So we write down 3. Is 3 common in any other numbers? Yes, it is common between 9 and 63. So we circle it and we write down 3. Are there any other numbers which are common in more than one number? No. So we write down the numbers that are not common. 3, 3, 2 and 7. After that, we multiply all of them and we get 126. This is the LCM. So Sheila, Vinod and Monu will go to the library together again after 126 days. Next, we will look at how to find the LCM of four numbers. The numbers we are taking are 8, 10, 12 and 15. We have found the prime factors of the numbers. 8 is 2, 2, 2, 10, 2 and 5, 12, 2, 2, 3, 15, 3 and 5. So we have written down the prime factors of all the numbers. Then I will slightly rearrange the numbers so that it is easier for me to show you how we are grouping the numbers. Which number is common between more than one number? 2. Is there any other number which is common? Yes, 2 is common again in more than one number. Is there any other number? 3 is common. 5 is common. So we write down all the common numbers And which numbers are not common? 2 is left behind. So we write down all the common numbers and the numbers that are not common and multiply them. And we get the answer as 120. 120 is the LCM of 10, 8, 12 and 15. Let us do some more practice. Click on the link to give an assessment. Remember, there are many ways to find the LCM of a number. We have done one way, and we will learn about the other ways in the later classes.